Under the antifungal drug, we'll study about the synthesis of tolnaftate, mycoconazole. In tolnaftate, it is a dermophyte, right? It's superficial infection के लिए it is used. It is an antifungal drug. We start the synthesis by 2-naphthol. It react with thiophagine, and HCl will be removed over here. Then we get this compound, which is orthonaphthalene 2-yl carbochloride thioate, because O added because this naphthol ring is attached with the O, right? Then it react with N-methyl 3-toluidine, and it in HCl will be removed from here, and this structure will form tolnaftate. Now, second is mycoconazole, imidazole derivative. It is an antifungal. In this 2,4-dichloroacetophenone react with bromine. HCl will be removed. Br will be added over here, and it react with this compound to form this HBr will be removed from here, and this compound will be formed. Now we'll do the reduction, and C double bond O bond ketone bond converted into alcohol. Then HCl will be removed from here, and at this point O, this whole compound will be attached. Now this mycoconazole will be formed. Now the mechanism of action of the antifungal drug is basically this is the process through which the cell wall synthesis in the fungus occur. So alkylamine inhibit this, so further process will not occur and cell wall will be not formed and the cell will disrupt. Now azole and midazoles, it act on 14 alpha dimethylase. It inhibit this enzyme. For example, mycoconazole. Grisofulvin act on the nucleus, and amphotericin, it act on the cell wall by forming the pores, which causes the cytoplasm expulsion outside.